Do it. Keep on shaking. Keep on shaking. Keep on shaking. Keep on shaking. Over. Okay. Shaking. Okay, you shake. You shake. 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 Do it. You can see how I'm doing? Huh? You can watch it from there.
How do you do that?
You just like you are scattering.
Okay, we did this.
Okay, do it.
Hi, Johnny. Auntie. Thank you. First of all, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're great. Today evening, we will be preparing millet. So this is millet. I'm seeing it for the first time, like this. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to be preparing millet, and we're trying to be removing like the dirt from it. I'm not really that good. It's my first time, but thank you for joining, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up.
How do you do it? After blowing and then you start moving.
How do I do it?
Take it.
There's only second.
Using this thing here. Using this thing from this side here.
Yeah.
And do it like that. You remove this one. Then this one goes away.
So it removes these white ones.
And even the soils, they are tiny. They are not supposed to be eaten.
Okay.
They are bad ones.
Yeah.
The sun.
That's why you would do that.
You do like this. You remove this one. This one. And the small stones are there. They are not supposed to be here.
Who's that? I'm fine. Okay. Jaja. Don't go there. You are going to stop the wind. You stand like this. Okay. Okay. You do it. Huh?
By doing this, I'm removing the millet husks. Well, I raise the winnow up, and then the wind is the one that separates the millet from the millet husks, because the millet husks are very light. They are blown away by the wind. Well, after this whole process, we take the millet for frying, right? And then when it's ready and we are done frying it, we take it to our handmade machine, and that is the grinding stone. So guys, as you can see, we are grinding the millet, and you can see that we are getting some millet flour. So with this millet flour, we can make one of our staple foods, and that is kalo. We can also make millet porridge, which is very nutritious. This was an amazing experience, and honestly, I enjoyed grinding that millet. It was very, very, very easy, honestly, and we actually used the millet flour for porridge, and it was very, very good.